Okay, so we're looking at a little bit of substitution here, and nothing too hard. Don't be freaked out by the algebra. All we're doing is substituting values in for our variables. Okay, so our first one's 5 minus 12 divided by a. In this instance, a equals 6. So we can rewrite that so that a does equal 6, and then we just follow order of operations. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Okay, and then obviously 5 take away 2 equals 3. Okay. For our next one here, 1 take away 60 divided by a. Okay, once again we know that a equals 6 in this instance. Alright, so 60 divided by 6, we need to do that first because division comes before subtraction in order of operations. So 60 divided by 6 equals 10. And if you have $1 and you take away $10, you owe $9. Okay, so negative 9. Moving on to 5D. In this instance, a equals negative 5 and b equals negative 3. So we have 2a plus b. Okay, so we can rewrite that. 2 times negative 5 plus negative 3. Okay. 2 times 5 is 10. And because we have a positive and a negative, our answer ends up being a negative. And then plus the negative 3. Okay. So if I owe someone $10 and then I add on another minus 3, I end up owing them $13. Okay. For H here, we've got negative 3b minus 2a minus 1. Okay. So for the first one, 3b is equal to 3 times b, which is negative 9. Okay. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Then we take away 2 times negative 5, which is negative 10. And then we minus 1 again. Okay. So here we have negative 9, and we have subtraction sign and a negative number. Okay, so that becomes a positive. So we end up with negative 9 plus 10, which gives us 1. Take away 1, so our answer there is 0. Okay. Moving on to question 6D. Okay, and this is very similar to the last unit that we were doing, order of operations, except that we're using variables now. Okay. So we have negative 3x, okay? Now, x equals 3, so 3 times 3 is 9, and obviously we have a negative, so it's negative 9, plus 2y, okay? Y equals negative 2, so 2 times negative 2, alright, 2 times 2 is 4, and you have a positive and a negative, so that it gives us negative 4, and negative 9 plus negative 4, it obviously gives us negative 13. Okay, F, our last one here. So in this instance, a equals negative 18 and b equals negative 1. So we have negative 36 divided by a, take away a times b. So we need to do the division first. So a equals negative 18. So if we rewrite this, it should look like this. Okay, so that's a times b, and that's a. So here, if 18 goes into 36 2 times, Both of them are negative, so that means we have a positive answer, which is 2. And then we still take away negative 18 times negative 1. 1 times 18 is 18. Both are negatives. All right, so that means that we end up with a positive answer. Okay, so here we have 2, take away 18 times 1 is 18, and both of them are negative, so we have a positive answer. Very good. And so our answer, 2 take away 18, is going to be negative 16. So if I have $2 and I take out $18, I owe $16 in my bank account.